What's going on, you guys? It's Tom from One Valley Woodworks. I built a dead flat torsion box for my router sled system. This is hands down the best upgrade to my shop to date. The process to build this torsion box was absolutely time consuming, but well worth it. If you want to see how it's done, kick back, relax, and enjoy this video. The size of the torsion box I'm building is 4 feet by 8 feet and about 5.5 inches thick. The reason I'm building this box so big is I want to expand my business. I want to be able to flatten large slabs for myself as well as potential customers who would want to buy tables and large pieces of furniture for me in the future. The walls on the sides of the box are completely done. Now I just need to add a little bit more support on the inside, so we got more cutting to do. All right, got all my long boards cut up. Also cut up 2 identical 12-inch spacers. They're going to go on the insides of the rails. These are going to be used as a template so I can perfectly space out my supports on the inside. They're going to go perpendicular to the rails. Then I'm going to have more supports going perpendicular from those rails to make sure this board stays dead flat all around. Hey guys, quick heads up. I forgot to film that. I was adding a little more support on the sides. I was just adding screws on each end. As you can see, this thing is looking really good. It's really sturdy, really flat. I'm gonna keep building, get some more support from the center. Let's go. The spine of the torsion box is complete, as you can see. The only thing left to do now is to put the top on and secure the top to the rails and the spine. That's how you get the board to be completely flat. Glad that's over. Everything's dried up now. Now I have to add some T-tracks to my torsion box. I'm gonna cut out some channels with this router bit. It's the exact same width of these T-tracks. So let's start cutting some channels and lay these in. my old workbench router sled system. Now you can see why I'm upgrading from this
to that.
Work area is sanded down to 220 grit. I'm gonna put some shellac on there. I'm gonna put about 3 or 4 coats on. It's gonna give this work area a nice solid finish, make it extra durable.
I absolutely loved using shellac for this process. The reason why is it only takes 5 to 10 minutes to dry in between each coat, which helps save time for this entire project.
Now the shellac is dry on my top, I'm ready to install these used T-tracks from my old workbench into the channels of my new one.